When it comes to the world of internet browsing, Mozilla Firefox has been at the heart of everything, and right from its initial stages, this web browser has seen its user base steadily increase. More than a decade since this browser began operating back in 2002, users of this browser have been full of praise for its functionality and robustness. In essence, this web browsing application has been received well since its inception. The rise of Firefox was due to the fact that many users were unhappy and dissatisfied with the kind of browsing they were being given by Internet Explorer and Opera. In actual sense, Mozilla Firefox was started by a group of disillusioned users of Internet Explorer and Opera, who felt that they needed a better way of browsing the web than what they got from the two browsers. When Firefox came in, it came as a savior of the many users who had felt the time for a change was inevitable, and breathed new life into the browsing experience of these unhappy users. When Mozilla Firefox first came into being, it was received by many who had anticipated such a thing to come in. It immediately became a hit, as many ditched Internet Explorer and Opera for the new Firefox. The developers at Firefox saw this opportunity, seized it through the continued availing of regular updates, and improved features that ensure the application stays at its optimal performance as usual. They capitalized on the browser's initial success, and this has somehow worked in their favor. The latest of its updates to come is Firefox 34.0.5, which was released on the first day of this month, and as it stands, this new version is only a few days old. When Mozilla Firefox first came into the market, it gained immediate success thanks to the stability it offered users when browsing the web. There is nothing this application has lost, as it forms part of its foundation or strong points. However, over time this web browsing application has evolved and seen major improvements come around it that have made it known globally for its organized nature. This can be attributed to the fact that Firefox provides users with a unique feature or way of organizing their bookmarks, something that has made it gain superiority over other browsers like Internet Explorer and Chrome. The latest version of Firefox 34.0.5 comes with major improvements and updates from the previous versions. One major notable update is the changed default search engine for users of Firefox in North America to Yahoo. Furthermore, this version has also changed the default search engine of users in Russia, Kazakhstan and Belarus to Yandex. The new version comes with a feature known as WebID that can help users create, edit as well as test web applications directly from the browser. Furthermore, developers can highlight the nodes that are in harmony with the certain selector in the rules panel of the inspector and the style editor. Other developer changes include a better UI for the profiler as well as a web console that includes console.table function. The latest version of Firefox also comes with fixes to bugs that were notable in earlier versions of the browser. In the new version, CSS transitions have no problem with launching, when started simultaneously with changes to position, display, overflow, and related properties. The application also includes several security and visual fixes in the latest version. Users can now enjoy full-screen videos on Macs without the usual dimming associated with earlier versions of Firefox.